tonight's the night.
Give it.
All read, all right.
Come on, old man, come on. We the cat shall help you.
So read this, write this, rip.
I told you it would work.
It's a swell idea. Who thought of it?
Well, if everything goes all right, which I doubt, Miss Walker.
You put it right on the lehigh, and you can really get by. Oh my!
We the cat shall help you.
So read this, write this, rip.
Hop, hop. Now you'll help, I'll bet you.
So read this, write this, rip. Got your happier.
So reap this righteous rip, hop, hop.
Here's the spirit to help you.
So reap this righteous rip, hop, hop.
Oh, you gotta come on like G.I. You dig a reap
beat from me side.
Oh, you put it right on the lehigh.
Then you can really get by, oh my.
We got your happier.
So reap this righteous rip, hop, hop.
Now you have my betcha.
So reap this righteous rip.
Look, the crowd's stopping to watch.
Yeah, it's starting to tie up the traffic, too. I've got a sneaking hunch that we're going to be arrested for disturbing the peace.
Oh, cheer up, Sunshine. It's the traffic tie-up that will get us on the front pages.
Or among the police reports.
And if they should arrest you, I have a habeas corpus right here, already made out and signed. You wouldn't be in jail 5 minutes.
We thought of everything. In the meanwhile, don't answer the phones, and we'll bar the door so the police can't get in and stop the show.
I wonder if they still use Tommy guns.
Oh, they'd scarcely be justified in going that far. And with that door barricaded, they'd have to get a search warrant to get in here. That alone would take them at least an hour.
And by that time, the show would be over. So you see, you have nothing to worry about.
Oh, no, nothing to worry.
Chin up, Junior. I've got to get back to the theater before any trouble starts. So long.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, you gotta come on like G.I. You dig a read beat with me, sigh. You put it right on the lehigh. Then you can really get by.
What's coming out here? That picture's tying up the traffic. That can't get away with it. The projector is up there. Well, come on.
Now you have my betcha. I put it be by. I'm really good to eat. Who'll boy. I'm up, this righteous road. No doubt you've heard about Mr. Hepster's Jive Talk Dictionary.
You mean Miss Webster?
No, sirree, I mean Mr. Hepster. Yeah, that's me now. I'll admit Mr. Webster was okay. But Jive Talk is the lingo all the jitterbugs use today. No. What's a Hepcat? A Hepcat is a guy who knows all the answers, and I'll tell you why. He's a highfalutin student of the Calloway vocab. Get Hep's dictionary. What's a doghouse? A doghouse is a thing, a big bull fiddle that you slap with a swing. If my phrasing seems amazing and you're eager to get Hep to Hep's dictionary. What's the twister to the slammer? The twister is a key that opens up the slammer to my chicken fricassee. If you want to learn the lingo jive from A, B, C to Z, get Hep to Hep's dictionary. It'll tell you what's a blip. It'll tell you how to get hip. It'll tell you what's frompy too. Anything you want to know from a hotty ho to a square up barbecue. Do you latch on? Well, latch on is a cue for you to get hep like the other cats do. You'll never be a icky if you cultivate your jive with hip hip, hip hip, hip hipster's dictionary.
Times Square looks like election night. We're going to get in plenty of trouble over this.
It's my considered opinion. You have nothing to worry about. And if they should arrest you, don't forget, I've got the habeas corpus to get you out.
jitterbug?
In my opinion, it's contagious.
Well, the show's about over.
Perhaps then we better admit the police. The longer we keep them waiting, the more provoked they're apt to be. Now, Mr. Crane, please don't be upset if they seem quite...
What's going on here? I've been trying to get you on the phone for half an hour.
Jenny told us not to answer the phone.
Well, why didn't you open the door?
Jenny told us not to open the door.
Oh, of all the dumb things.
Miss Walker has everything all worked out, and I'm sure Miss Walker knows just what she's doing. By the way, where is Miss Walker?
Miss Walker is in jail.
Jail? Oh, but that's marvelous.
The police came, but they couldn't get in. And they saw her name on the door. So just as we were leaving the theater, they arrested her. And you've got to get her out right away.
I can't.
Oh, you can't. Why?
This habeas corpus is in your name, and I can't get one for Miss Walker till morning.
So the mastermind spends a night in jail.